Good morning, class. So today's assignment is going to be looking over the San Antonio Food Bank and exploring the different programs that they have to offer. So your instructions are going to be to first watch the video, San Antonio Food Bank Tour with CEO Eric Cooper, and you can see how it's blue because it's hyperlinked. So if you click on it, it's going to take you to the YouTube video you're supposed to watch. Then you're going to visit the San Antonio Food Bank website. Again, that is also hyperlinked. So when you click that, that's going to take you to safoodbank.org. And you're going to explore the different food assistance programs available in our community. Now it says there that you're going to be copying and pasting the descriptions, or you can summarize in your own words. And then you're going to, in your own words, write how that program benefits the community. So there are 9 different programs that the San Antonio Food Bank offers. The programs that they offer are benefits assistance, farmers market, food assistance and distribution, job assistance, mobile mercado, nutrition, health and wellness, programs for children, programs for senior citizens, programs for pets. At the end, you are going to answer the question that says, how do all the programs provided by the San Antonio Food Bank become an asset to the community? So, and notice how it says type here. That's because you can click there and you can type. So you will be working on this assignment, and on Monday during our live lesson, you guys are going to be reviewing those with me, and then we're going to be taking a poll to decide which ones you all are most interested in, so that we can get started with our final project, which is going to involve you all choosing one of these programs to make a presentation on. So if you have any questions, please send me a message and let me know, and I will help you as best I can. Thank you, and I hope you all have a great Friday.